Hey everyone, so I would be doing my skincare routine today. First of all, a lot of you were asking about, I'm sorry if the camera moved, a lot of you were asking for a skin routine, so here I am today. The basic thing with my skin routine is that I do not have like a proper cleansing, toning, moisturizing kind of a routine. It's more like, you know, thrown into bits and pieces here and there, and like that's all, that's all I do. I try to eat like better, and I drink loads and loads of water, which keeps the skin, you know, hydrated and fresh, and you know, kind of it like makes the skin better. So anywho, I'm just gonna dive in and show you what products that I use for my skin, like what I am using nowadays. So first of all, let's start with face wash. I am using the A1 Naturals Rose and Rose Hips Fairness face wash. I do not you know, kind of buy that fairness thingy. It's just that I try to stay as close as to natural products as I can when it comes to my skin, because you know, even on the days when I'm at home and I don't have to go anywhere, I like to keep my bare like face completely bare, not even kajal, nothing at all on my face. And you've seen that in my videos. I have so many videos in which I'm like nothing on. So I am using A1 Naturals Rose and Rose Hips Fairness face wash, and this is for how many rupees? It's for 189 rupees for 100 ml of product. It smells really nice. It has a mild rosy fragrance, which I love. That's why I like using this. Then to kind of remove my makeup for the days that I do wear makeup, on the days that I do wear makeup, I use Garnier Skin Naturals, again natural, it's kind of a fetish now, Garnier Skin Naturals Daily Care Grape Water Gentle Cleansing Milk. Looks like this. I like to pour it like on a cotton pad and then just clean off my makeup. This is for all skin types, face, eyes and lips. You can, it's safe to use anywhere for all skin types. This is for 135 rupees for 100 ml again. That's how it looks. So that's what I use. Then to, you know, in summers your skin can get very sweaty very often, and you can feel all like drab, and you want to refresh it, but you don't want to use any chemicals onto it. So I like to use my Khadi face freshener in mint and cucumber. This also cleanses off your you know, dirt and grime and everything, which makes your skin breathe more, so it makes it more healthier. Linked. I also have a review and demo on this. I would link it in the bottom bar. This is for 95 bucks for 100 ml. So I use that, and then what do I use? Yeah, and for cream I like to use my African Extracts Shea Butter. Sorry for that. I have finished up this product, like a very little bit of it is remaining, and I'm trying to hold on to it for as long as I can, because that's just how I roll. But it smells nice, it smells amazing, and I like to just you know, kind of pat it into my skin so that it just gets absorbed really quickly. And once it gets absorbed, I like to layer it up with a sunscreen lotion. I am using Amway's sunscreen. This is Amway Attitude, and this sorry, I'm so sorry, this African Extracts Shea Butter is for 600 rupees for 250 ml of product. Totally worth it. So for the sunscreen that I'm using is Attitude by Amway. Attitude by Amway, yeah, that's right. Attitude by Amway sunscreen lotion. This is like, it doesn't kind of, you know, mentions how many PA++++++ this is, or how many UV++++ this is. So I can't tell you that. I think there's just one of, you know, one of it. And this is for they don't mention the prices on the bottle, I guess, because no, they do. It's for 350 rupees for 200 ml, like 33% extra. Do you see here? So sorry for that again. So this is 200 ml for 350 bucks. That. Then at night time, once I clean off my face and as going into the natural vibe again, I like to use this Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Skin. I've been using this for the past weeks now, and I love it. this is, and you know, if you can see, it's like used up till here only, because you need so little of it and it just spreads on so nicely. It's a clear liquid, and I just like to massage it into my skin and let it sit there and just sleep with it. So you know, the skin becomes really, you know, it repairs skin like anything. It's with precious 9 plants from pure Jeju Island. It's highly enriched with 9 types of precious Jeju-oriented botanical active ingredients. This total anti-aging skincare line helps to prevent 9 signs of aging. Yes, for all of you wondering, I am aging because I'm 19. My teenage years are over. Basically, this repairs skin, so I've taken it for that, not for the anti-aging purpose. And this is 200 ml for how much? Actually, if anyone knows how to read this language, then you would know. I don't know how to read this language. I think this was for $20. I got it off a website, cosmeticlab.com. I think this was for $20 for how much? 200 ml. This is how it looks. Innisfree, but Innisfree has opened in Delhi as well in Khan Market, so you can check it out. This is the Perfect 9 Repair Skin. Works great on the skin, like pimples, acne marks, hyperpigmentation. It works great for that. Then for my lips, which feature on my face, I like to use only natural products when it comes to repairing them, because I have pink lips, I don't like pigmentation. So the 3 products that I'm currently using is, first of all, this 100% natural lip roll on by Body Shop. This is for 310 rupees for 10 ml of product. I have a review on this. I love it. It's really nice. Then in daytime, because this is like, you know, for night time, this lip roll on is for night time. For daytime, I use 2 lip balm alternatively, because I get bored of a fragrance really quickly and I don't want to get bored of them. The first one is this chocolate and mint lip balm by the Nature's Co. It's completely natural. I love it. This is for 225 rupees for how much product? How much product is in there? I have no clue how much product there is, but it's for 225 rupees. It smells heavenly. I love chocolate. It smells heavenly. Like, I want to eat my lips when I have applied this, and that sounds so wrong. I'm so sorry. That sounds wrong. Totally wrong. And then the other natural product that I use like alternatively is this Fruity Vanilla Lip Butter by Fab India. Fab India also, you know, goes for all natural products. And this, you know, there is no price written on this, but I think this was for 175 or 150 bucks. I'm not too sure, because it's been a while since I've bought it, so not too sure. But that's what I use for my lips. Then for the treatments and stuff, every other day or alternate days, I use the mask that I have shown here. You can click the link here, like right here. Click it, or you can also open the bottom bar, it would be there. I use this face mask for my face, but except the milk, I add honey into it, because honey has natural hydrogen peroxide. It helps in, you know, combating the tan in summers, and in winters you can use the milk. Like, even milk helps in that, but somehow honey works better for my skin type, so you know, I do that. Also, once in 2 weeks or fortnightly, I like to use Multani Mitti. This is Fuller's Earth. I have that in a packaged thingy, like box, would you call it a box? Jar, I got it, jar. And I like to use Multani Mitti. This is by Dabur, I guess, and it is the one with infused chandan and chandan, rose petals, whatnot, ruining the fragrance of natural Multani Mitti with rose. Like, I really like the smell of, you know, Gili Mitti, or, you know, fresh, wet earth. And to make that into a paste, I use gulab jal, just because. Yeah. So yes, that was pretty much it. That is my skin routine, and I do not know the prices of these, because this Multani Mitti, you can get Multani Mitti like really easily. It's Fuller's Earth for my outside people. It's full as earth, you can get it pretty easily. And the gulab gel is for 60 bucks only for 500 ml. Woohoo, party! So yes, that was pretty much it, my face care, like skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. I have an Instagram, a Facebook page, a blog and a Twitter. All of the links would be in the bottom bar, so make sure to check them out as well. I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.